Okay, so let's now get into the third structure that you can create with this plugin, which is the web. If you see here at the top in the 8 rectangle that you can see in every page, if you look closely, you can see that it's nothing more and nothing less than a combination of the previous two structures that we've already talked about. The green arrows here in this structure are just a hub, so that each post here points to a central node, and also each one is linked to the next one, creating a ring surrounding the structure. It's important that you know which ones are the link 1 type and which ones are link 2, and the color code in the graphic can be very helpful for you in this case, because the structure page is a bit more complex, as we'll see when we get into creating a structure. Okay, so let's just select the web, just call it test web. We'll use 5 nodes as we did before, and see how in the previous two cases, in the previous two videos regarding the hub and the ring, only the fields related to link 1 were active, but now as we have selected the web, the fields for link 2 are also active in each of the nodes, so that you can enter the values there. So we will start selecting posts here. What is genital psoriasis? Is psoriasis contagious? Plantar psoriasis and pustular psoriasis. If you see, as we said, with link 2 links, what we are doing is creating a ring surrounding the structure. So the behavior with link 2s is the same one as we saw when we were explaining the ring. As soon as you select the source, it auto-populates or pre-populates the correct field in the target for link 2. Okay, and now, as in the case of the hub, we will select a node for the central or a post or a page for the central node in the structure. We could use the review, or we will use the home page in this case, and it auto-populates and fills in the same value for all of them, because in the hub the central node is the same for all of them. So we can enter some value here, like get rid of psoriasis, which might be the main keyword or the main theme keyword for our site. We can enter it in some of the fields, and we can also include a couple of naked URLs to make it more penguin friendly. And in the case of the anchor text for link 2s, we will introduce what could be our money keywords, or the keywords that we want those pages to rank for. Plantar psoriasis, pustular psoriasis, erythrodermic psoriasis. So we have already created this structure, which seems quite complex. Imagine what it could take you to create this manually. We have just selected a few values in the combos here, and we have it ready. We just click on save structure. We have the test web here, and if we now go into a post, you see that we have the link here.